presentation done by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals for 27 Lorien Way in Kingscliff. We shot this drone video here to showcase how close it is to the beach and how close to the centre of town it's in the top right hand corner. Going down to street level, this is how the property presents from the street. Security screens all the way around, as well as pull down blinds. Going to the main living area, you can see there's an air conditioner on the wall, also a ceiling fan to cool for the summer months, separate dining room, modern kitchen with dishwasher and plenty of cupboards and drawers, entertaining area off the kitchen area which is covered, main bedroom with another air conditioner, ensuite, walk-in robe, 2 other bedrooms, both with built-ins. Main bathroom with separate bath, separate shower, separate toilet, also good size internal laundry, double garage with auto door. Going through that glass sliding door at the end of the screen is a clothesline, and our last shot shows the side of the house. We end the property with another drone video. We've circled the property here as pictured, 27 Lorien Way in Kingscliff. If you'd like to lease this property, then please call the rentals team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals on 0266745888. Email them for viewing times at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information of this property, visit the website at salesandrentals.com.au.